Hey, welcome back to the channel. I am really glad you're here because today I'm excited to share with you this really cool Artillian toolbar. So stick around.
Welcome to my cluttered garage. You know I'm really glad you're here. Yeah.
The only tools you really need for this project are a couple of 1/2-inch wrenches, or 13mm for the rest of the world. In typical Artillian fashion, the kit comes with some really high quality and heavy-duty hardware. I'm also going to be installing this toolbar quick release kit. The first thing I'm going to do is mount this bracket onto the ROPS, and this is designed to be really universal and it'll fit just about any ROPS system. These are made so that you can mount them to the outside of your ROPS or the inside of your ROPS. The angles can be facing out or facing in. So I'm going to mount these to the inside of my ROPS with the angles facing inward, and that's just a simple matter of using the included U-bolt and attaching it with some nuts on the other side. I'm not going to tighten anything down yet. I'm just going to snug it up so that I can move things around to get things lined up. You can mount these anywhere you want on your ROPS, but I'm going to mount this about 7 inches from the top of my fender so that the bar doesn't interfere with my top link. Now the next step would be to install the toolbar with these simple U-brackets, but for this project we're also going to install the quick release kit. Again, leaving that just loose enough so that we can make minor adjustments. I'm going to take this top nut off so I can slide the toolbar through more easily. Now as I tighten things up, I'm going to continue to check the quick release throughout the process to make sure that it stays free. Once you've got this set exactly where you want, there's one more L bracket for added stability. Now that's a toolbox. There are a lot of accessories you can add to this Artillian toolbar. Let me show you a few of those. One thing I really love is a simple idea, and that's exactly what's behind this accessory. You simply attach this, and you know, one of the handiest things around a property is a 5-gallon bucket. How handy is that? Now this is listed as a cooler and beverage holder. You can see the cup holders right there, but I don't see why you couldn't strap a fuel can in there too. Like everything I've seen from Artillian, quality is never sacrificed. These latches are heavy duty, the accessories are built really strong, and this toolbar is not going anywhere. There are a lot of accessories you can get for this Artillian toolbar, including a basket, a chainsaw holder, an actual fuel can holder, even a rack where you can hold garden tools. So check out the Artillian website for more information. I want to thank Artillian for sending these items to me today to demonstrate to you. You may have also noticed this Artillian canopy, so be sure to check out this video next. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.